we just did, Heroku, and the importance of Heroku and the strategic fit for the platform. And now I want to talk about the strategic fit for the applications. And it's related, actually, highly related to Heroku and the platform strategy. Because as we've now talked to you about our 8th cloud, the power, really, of the platform is that there's a lot of, I'm talking to the Heroku developers, there's a lot of developers out there who are stranded. They're kind of in their own old client-server world in many cases. And they're looking for the fastest place to get to the cloud. The customers are hungry. They want the next generation of solutions. There's a lot of companies trying to stop that, to create the FUD, as you know. But these customers, they want to have the new vision. They want to lower their costs. They want to get out of CapEx. They want to stop having to buy hardware and software. And there's all these great software companies who want to quickly move their solutions to cloud computing. And the one that we've been working with the most this year, which is one of the top 10 software companies in the world, is BMC Software. And I want to introduce you guys and everyone here to a friend of Salesforce and somebody that we all know, CEO of one of the top 10 software companies in the world. Please welcome Bob Beauchamp, my good friend. Bob, come on out here.
I was feeling good, but now I'm feeling great. Best ever, and you know I don't.
Hey, Mark.
Hey, Bob.
Good to see you, baby.
It's great to see you again. Thank you for being here, and want you to meet the Heroku guys.
Hello, Heroku guys.
And Bob and I have known each other a long time, and Bob has done an amazing job at Remedy, 30 years
BMC,
of Remedy. I mean, at BMC, yes. 30 years of BMC, and flagship product Remedy that everybody knows in the audience,
sure.
Tremendous, and a lot of other amazing technologies too at BMC as well.
Right.
You know, our teams have been busy working together over the last year, and I have been going across the world to doing cloud forces, and your team has been following me, and we've been bringing them on stage and showing what BMC has been doing on Force.com. How are things going, with the BMC solutions, running on Force.com? Can you give us an update on that?
Sure, Mark. They're going great. You and I met at a restaurant here in San Francisco 2 years ago.
That's right.
And then last year here at Dreamforce on the stage.
We were at Chaya on the Embarcadero.
Chaya, very good. I remember well Parker
sushi.
and you and I and Kia, our CTO.
That's right.
And one of the points that you made at that time is that your customers, people in this audience, number one ask of you was to deliver for IT the killer apps that you've delivered for Salesforce, essentially IT service management. So we launched back then, 1 year ago at this event, a service desk on Force.com. In a matter of a few months, we had added our IP, our knowledge around service management onto your platform, and it's really begun to take off. Some great customers here to speak on it.
Well, everywhere I've gone, it's been such a great example of a 100% native app that was written on Force.com that, we brought BMC with us and showed the Service Desk app, and we've never seen the kind of momentum and leads and energy around a native app on our platform. I guess it really probably speaks to the whole help desk industry.
Well, it's, it began as a help desk industry where you issue trouble tickets. And in fact, our offering last year started with a good basic help desk. But now what we've done is really expanded it dramatically. We've added whole service management functionality. So now we're bringing to the table problem management, change management, knowledge management, and a whole host of other functionality into the suite to make it a real IT service management platform.
Well, as I've gone around the world, Bob, and I think you know this, and I love the service desk product that you built. But what all the customers always ask me is, what I want on the platform natively, built right, 100% with all the Force.com environment. I want Remedy. I mean, that's the killer app. And I can't tell you how many times customers have asked me, why do we not have native Remedy right on the platform so we could have a native Remedy app? Well, what do you think about that?
Well, I think that there's no question that BMC and the Remedy brand, the Remedy platform for us, which is a whole family of products, is the industry leader. I think in fact, only a month or so ago, Gartner came out with its Magic Quadrant on IT service management, and one of the only times I've ever seen it in my life, for a market that's billions and billions of dollars, there was only one company in the leader quadrant, and it was BMC, and it says
cool.
Remedy. So what we've done together is we've taken our knowledge of how the customers use the service management environment, and we've ported that onto your platform with new technology. We've written it and put it on Force.com, blended in our IP because we know how to use it, we know what customers want, and that 10 years of experience of how customers implement and use Remedy has come to bear on how we've developed this new product on your platform.
And this is a big market, right? I mean, isn't this one of the biggest markets in enterprise software?
It is. IT service management is conservatively $15 billion. But traditionally, the issue with it is that it's been something that all very, very large enterprises understand. They get it. They have to have it. But it's been expensive for other enterprises to implement. It's complex sometimes to implement and get the full value. This is where your team and ours got together and said, can we take this at low price points, very fast deployment, add mobility, chatter integration, and really come down to offer it to customers who maybe in the past couldn't really adopt a true, powerful IT service management platform?
Well, Bob, what I've been hearing from all of our customers is, they want the best of both worlds.
Well, they're going to get it.
They want Remedy natively on Force.com. Can we do that for them?
Well, we have announced today a brand new cloud, and I'm going to let you do that. Explain it.
Well, we are really excited today to announce Remedyforce. It's very exciting. Bob, congratulations. Built by Bob's team, 100%. So Bob has been working diligently. Bob also is a Salesforce.com customer.
Absolutely. Very happy one, by the way. We were not forced.
You saw Bernard backstage?
I did. I saw him backstage getting some coffee. He's not forced.
Very good, very good.
That's right.
And Bob, you also, I know you're a big Chatter user also. You've got all of our different services deployed. And I think that's been the natural alliance between the companies. It's been so frictionless and easy. And what I'm excited about, with Remedyforce is that it's really the next strategic cloud from Salesforce.com for our customers, and so easy for them now just to get going with essentially one click.
Absolutely. In fact, we've invested heavily in it, adding all this new functionality, as I mentioned, problem management, knowledge management, and a powerful new capability around the configuration management database, the CMDB, which is the single source of truth for IT on your platform. By the way, one of our great customers for that CMDB is you, so thank you very much.
Thank you, Bob.
Whether it's Virgin Media or Vodafone or Motorola or Dell, people around the world are standardizing on that platform, and now they can do that on the cloud, on your cloud, and we're excited about that.
So IT configuration management database, isn't that kind of the holy grail for a lot of these issues?
It absolutely is. It is a requirement. If you study ITEL, and most of the people in the room have probably, if not been trained or certified in ITEL, have heard of it, it's actually a requirement to do IT right, to really take it to an automated next level, to do things like reduce the cost of support by 50% or greater, to improve the number of first responses automated to 75% reduction in escalations. You have to have that sort of technology, and we've been working on that now for a number of years. We're the clear market leader with customers, as I mentioned, like you, and now we're going to offer that on your platform. It's going to change the game.
Well, native on our platform, Remedyforce, you've got the integrated IT configuration management database, the incident management, the asset inventory management, problem management, all the things you've been talking about. Nate, I mean, this is a huge step forward for the cloud.
Well, I'll tell you, Mark, one of the things we really love about this is what your cloud, what your Force platform provided to us. Now we have mobility, so iPads, iPhones, BlackBerry devices can both access and get reports back natively, the mobility that you brought to the platform, and then integration with your other clouds, like Chatter, so that our customers can interoperate and use collaboration within their own enterprises, but extra enterprise as well. Really powerful stuff, bringing in knowledge management from third parties into this. We're going to change the game here, Mark.
Bob, thanks for being with us.
Thank you.
Thanks for being part of the Force.
Congratulations. All right.
Thank you very much. Bob Beauchamp, thank you, Bob. CEO of BMC. Remedyforce.